Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video we will see the calculator app in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been a great watch, and the calculator app has been one of the most interesting apps in this smartwatch. So we will see all the features of the calculator app and whether the calculator app can perform complex calculations or not. Also we will see how the app looks, and at the end of the video we will see a nifty little feature with which we can do calculations in this watch other than the calculator app. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So I have with me the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and you can see how beautiful this watch is. This is one of the premium segment smartwatches which has all the features of the premium segment smartwatch, and obviously it comes with the calculator app which you can access in this smartwatch. So we have already seen the calculator app in the MSV GTS 3 smartwatch, which is a great smartwatch on its own. So if you have not seen the calculator app in the MSV GTS 3, I will leave a link in the top right corner so you can see from there. So first of all, in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 you will get the calculator app by default, and you don't need to install any app to get the calculator app. The calculator app will be there and you can just access it from the watch itself. So to access it, you just need to swipe up and you will see a lot of apps will be installed, and in there you will see this icon which is the calculator app in this watch. So after clicking on the icon, you will see a full-fledged calculator will be visible to you, and it has this really nice green and red color to it. So let's perform some calculations in there and see whether it is working or not. So I will perform some multiplication in here. So to multiply, you can see I have the multiplication symbol and I can do any of the calculations in here. I am amazed that we are able to do calculations in a full-fledged calculator from this type of small screen. And once you are using the calculator, you will see you can view the history also here. So you are doing some calculations in there and you want to see the previous calculations which you have done. Obviously you will get that from the history and you will see the results in there, which is really great. And if you don't want the history, you can also clear the history from here. And also you have this symbol in the down, so you can also do scientific calculations in there like square root, plus minus, percentage, brackets and everything. So really nice calculator you will be getting with this watch, and it will really help you to do big calculations also. So once you have done the calculation, you can just swipe left to go back, and you can also definitely use this back key, which is the second button in this watch. So the calculator app has been a great app in this watch, and definitely it can solve some really interesting maths problem in there. So now let's see what is that feature which you can use to do other nifty calculations also apart from the calculator app. So sometimes if you are not able to access the calculator app, you can use another app with which you can do the calculations. So for that you just need to press and hold the first button up there, and once you are holding it, you will see the Bixby in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 will be activated. So to use the Bixby, you need to just download the Galaxy Wear app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and once you have installed this app, you are free to use the Bixby in there. So to first activate the Bixby, you just need to go to the app list in your watch, and you will be able to see the Bixby app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So this is the Bixby app, and once you will be clicking on there, you will get a notification on your phone where you need to get the credentials of the Samsung Galaxy account and log in into your Bixby. So once you have logged in, you are free to use Bixby, and you can just search in here to go to Bixby also. So Bixby is similar to Alexa, which is in the Amazfit watches, and you can do a lot of things with the Bixby app which is there for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So once you have activated the Bixby, you just need to click and hold this first button, and you will be seeing that you are getting this screen, which is the Bixby screen in here. So with the Bixby, you can also perform some nifty calculations, and you can do some complex calculations also. Let's see whether Bixby is able to solve mathematical equations or not here. So I will do some calculations with the Bixby. What is 55 multiplied by 55?
It's 3025.
So you can see I can do the calculation with the Bixby also. I don't need to go to the calculator app there. So let's do some more calculations. What is the square root of 144?
It's 12.
So not only you are getting the calculations on the watch, but you are also getting voice feedback. So with the voice feedback, even if you are not looking at the screen, you will be able to know the answer of the calculations. So which is really great. And let's perform something big, like what is 25,224 multiplied by 60,555?
The answer is 152.74 39,320.
So I think the Bixby is better than the calculator which is present in the watch, because it can do all types of calculations via the voice commands, and it gives voice feedback also. So the calculator app is also there, and if you want to do something very quick without typing anything on the small little screen of the calculator app, you can do that also with the help of Bixby. And here it can be a problem to do the calculation sometimes, because this is a really small screen. This is a smartwatch. First of all, in the smartwatch, typing can be a bit of a challenge sometimes, and you can get the solution to this problem with the Bixby itself, because Bixby is a really good voice assistant in this watch, which solves most of the problems, including the calculations which you can do on the go with this watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you the calculator app, and also wanted to let you know that you can do the calculations with the Bixby app also in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.